If you love baking, you should try making these popular Sri Lankan Kimbula Buns, also called Crocodile Buns. They are soft, golden, and sweet with a delicious sugar crust. Plus, they are so easy to make.
Yum.
I used my Sri Lankan friend Nadee's recipe, and they came out perfect, and the whole house smelled like a bakery. Check out the original recipe here and let me know what you think.
To make Kimbula buns, start by mixing 2 3/4 cups or 350 grams of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of instant dry yeast, 8 tablespoons of room temperature milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then give all the ingredients a quick mix. Then add 1 large egg and mix again until everything is well combined. Then add half a teaspoon of salt and give it another quick mix. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soft room temperature butter and knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Rub some coconut oil to cover the mixing bowl and also rub some coconut oil on top of the dough. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest to rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. After the dough has doubled in size, take it out of the mixing bowl and shape it into a nice ball. Then, cut the dough ball into 6 evenly sized rectangular pieces to ensure that all the Kimbula buns are roughly the same size when they bake. This helps them cook evenly. Then, using your fingers, flatten each piece but try to maintain the rectangular shape. Next, carefully roll each piece from one end to the other, forming a log-like shape. Be gentle to avoid compressing the dough too much, which would affect the texture. Then, place the rolled buns on the parchment paper covered baking tray and cover them with a kitchen towel and leave them aside for a moment. Next, mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in a small pan and stir on medium heat until the sugar dissolves. The sugar syrup gives the Kimbula buns a glossy finish and helps the sugar stick to the top. Brush each bun with the sugar syrup. Make sure to cover the entire surface. Then, generously sprinkle sugar over each bun for a sweet, crunchy topping. Bake the Kimbula buns in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees centigrade for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and have a slightly crisp crust and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing.
If you like this yummy Kimbula Buns recipe, then check out also how to make this moist and absolutely delicious Sri Lankan coconut cake here. Check it out now.